Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're doing all well. Today we got a good presentation of this ECU you're seeing there above. But this is the ECU from Hyundai iX 35 that we're just working on. So as you can see there, this is the plug side where you're gonna do your connections. This is the pin out of the ECU, so you must be careful. You mustn't rush when you're doing the connections. Just take your time. So when you're done, you don't need to make mistakes that did I connect right, did I connect wrong. So this is the tool we're gonna use today. All right, this is our other friend that is gonna help us. So now this is the process where we're gonna do the connections. We're still gonna take our time, we're not rushing, so I want everything to be perfect. So yeah, so this presentation for today is gonna be very good, so you must listen very carefully, because you won't have anything of this again. So because the weather in Cape Town also today is good, so the presentation is supposed to be good. Alright, as you can see, this is our soldering. We're doing the soldering there. After doing the soldering, we're gonna tell you what we're gonna do with this ECU, why you want to read. We just want to show you how we do the preparation and stuff like that. But for any further information about what you want to do, why reading, what is the procedures, you can contact the link below our website for R&D electronic, and then we can give you updates and let you know what you must do, what may be done, what you must send to us. Then we can do like EGR delete, immobilizer, bypass. Mostly of the electronic things that troubles you on the cars, that is the one we tackle daily. So nothing is easy, but you always try to tackle what is not easy. Hope you enjoy my presentation.